Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made my DIY holiday dress. We got invited to a Christmas party and the dress code is anything with glitters, sequin, anything sparkly. I look up for a holiday dress online and it's kind of pricey and I don't want to spend so much money on a dress that I might just wear once.
Just to give you an idea of how much it is online or in store.
So, let's get started.
The dress I made is inspired by this design. I picked the largest size I found at the store. This is 3XL, so I have enough fabric for the ruffles. I saved so much money in this price. I cut the sleeves out. Since I don't have a dress form, I used my extra small dress as guide to get the perfect size. This is where I'm gonna attach the ruffle. These are the cutouts from the dress which I'm gonna use for the ruffles. Working on the ruffle.
Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to know more of what I'm up to, just subscribe. Thanks! Bye!